In this video we'll be cooking these tasty brand, looks like a homemade cookie dough. So you make the dough and it advertises to be really easy to make. So you just need an egg, some butter or coconut oil. It comes with a pretty large bar of some white baking chocolate and then the different mixes. We'll put all the ingredients into one bowl. So the chocolate cookie mix in one bowl, the egg and the coconut oil. And add the 1/4 cup of coconut oil or butter. And we'll stir this up until it's consistent. Now we've got this all mixed up and a consistent consistency, and we're going to go ahead and put it in the freezer for about 15 minutes and let it freeze. While that's in the freezer, we're going to go ahead and open up the white chocolate bar. It says to break off 6 rectangles. And some of the leftover chocolate we're going to use for the drizzle on top. It also says to break each one of the rectangles in half. We'll start to take these cookies out. It says we'll make about 12 mounds. So we'll do that, and then the chocolate goes on the inside. I can see why you have to freeze them, because once you start handling them, the coconut oil in there or the butter really starts to melt. What we'll do now is take these, put them in the cookie crumbs that come with it, and kind of toss it around in there and put it back on the plate. And we'll put them in the toaster oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now I didn't put any oil on the cooking pan. I think it'll be fine because there was a lot of coconut oil in the dough, so yeah, it seems like they're coming off really easily. And we'll add the cooking chocolate, and I have a little bit of coconut oil left over in the bottom of the mixing dish, which is fine. And this goes in the microwave. Now that everything's all molten, we can go ahead and drizzle it on. And I'd say these look pretty good, and I think they just about turned out just like the picture, so that's always a good sign. It basically tastes like a brownie with white chocolate on the inside and a little bit on the outside. It's really good.